Have you ever wondered what happens when an accident happens? A big truck accident, normal accident that you see on a day-to-day basis, and the gruesome and the one that leave you worried about whether somebody died or they survived. So in this case, I'm sure you have seen road accidents and you do know about survivors. They do survive. And we're going to be reviewing or talking about the Carabin Shaw. And this is a compensation that happens when an accident happens, which I think is the most important thing. So when this accident happens, you are, as a survivor, whether you know a survivor, whether you do not know a survivor, they are obligated to getting compensation for surviving the accident. You could go to court and argue that the accident happened because of negligence or something else. So the Caribbean, we're going to be checking with them, and it's actually free consultation. Nothing, they don't ask for money. It's free consultation, and they're going to direct you on anything you want. So injured, your help starts here. Pay zero until you win. This is actually something nice. They do not charge you anything. They treat you with so much care, and you get to pay them after you win. So there's so many things, as you can see: car accident, wrongful death, product defect, paralysis, anything that happens to you when you survive an accident. You go to them and they're going to help you. So personal injury lawyers advocating for your right. And this company has been there for 28 years to fight for the rights of the low victims of auto accident, trucking accident, 18-wheeler accident, motorcycle accident, worksite accident, and other losses. The offices are in San Antonio and across Texas with over 200 years of combined experience in personal injury law and a commitment to a higher level of service. And the attorney have won thousands of personal injuries and wrongful death cases. They're very dedicated into helping other people so that they can get their right. They stand for victims against insurance companies, responsible parties. So these lawyers are mostly in San Antonio with branches across the states of Texas. They do not only win your cases, but they keep the client updated and involved throughout the representation. So you're not left in the darkness. You don't stay hidden. Nothing like that happens. So the firm works with the best and brightest doctors and medical experts in the medical arena, and they are able to send the clients to them so that the clients can receive best possible treatment for these personal injuries. When you survive an accident, it's your right to get compensated. There are insurance companies for that. That is what you have to make sure that you know. There are companies. These companies, they pay so many people. So do not sit there when somebody who has been injured and they go into darkness or pity or what. You take them to low, okay? And you're gonna get something for your personal injury. So the firm has ever long realized that individuals injured and their loved ones faces challenges and numerous obstacles after accidents. That was I was talking about when you are intimidated after an accident has happened, you do not know where to go. Something just awful makes you not want to go outside the legal process. So this adds to a stressful situation that can affect the healing process of any accident. We also realize that extra effort in listening with an ear of solving problem has further assist the client with years of experience and our deep understanding. I mean, guys, I did see them online. So these are the personal injury cases: car accident, whaler, or the semi-tractors, or commercial vehicle accidents. These are the wrongful death. Somebody dies and it's a wrongful motorcycle accident, ride share accident, wax work worksite accident, swimming pool accident, birth injuries, medical. This can happen in USA. And it might, like, I've seen a case of birth injuries. You do realize that there's a time that you saw a woman give birth to a baby, but the baby died because the head was amputated, and I'm sure they got the proper help, and I do hope they got the proper help or medical malpractice. I'm sure you might go to maybe get a BBL, plastic surgery, or anything you wanna go, and they do a very bad job that leaves you with damage forever. Report them, or you have a loved one in a nursing home neglected, not taken care of up to what you paid for. Okay, so this firm also deals with family law, criminal law, will, estate, and probate. English. This is called business reputation, social security, disability, work. So why would you choose this as your personal injury? They have over 1 billion recovered for the client. They have experienced attorneys, exceptional services, no win, no fee guarantee. They're available 24/7, and exceptional results. So I've seen so many people talk about them. So this is a great deal for them and for you to have them standing for you. And these are the medical centers. They are available across Texas and San Antonio, Maine. These are the branches, so it doesn't matter where you are. You could reach them if you know somebody knows somebody. Do not let it go. Stand for something you believe in and get something right. So this will talk about the reviews. So let's see the reviews. So this person was in an auto accident in 2011. A good friend of them recommended that I call the Carabin Shaw. I'm really glad that I hired the firm. I met with Mr. Shaw on the day one, and the firm always return my calls and always give me an update of the case. So these are not selfish people. These are people who they know what they're doing. Okay. So they represented the daughter and the grandson in an auto accident, and they were with us every step. They do not only offer legal guidance, they also offer emotional support, which I think it's a beautiful thing to actually do. So it's a highly recommended law firm, went out of their way to see was taken care of and informed. My compliments to everyone involved. Rick said thank you for all. It's just a great free consultation available 24/7, no fee until you win. Just send them an email, and this is the guy. See, they provide just personal care, attention, emergency 24/7 service. Honestly, I've seen Spanish speaking attorney, like they offer everything. So do not stay with your injuries because you're not going to get help, because you are going to get help. And the thing, you can see the diversity. We have men, we have women. They look like people who are ready to help. So auto accident, motorcycle accident, semi-truck accident, eight-wheeler, wrongful death. This is everything that they deal with. And you can find them on social media. Yeah, go get them on social media. See, reviews. Okay, guys, take care. And if there's somebody